Has been causing some problems. We've been seeing parts of northwest Miami-Dade dealing with really heavy flooding.
Yes, and Local 10 News reporter Michael Seiden just arrived on scene there. Michael, give us an update.
Good afternoon. We are really at the epicenter of that flooding here in northwest Miami-Dade. I want to set the scene. We are on Northwest 7th Street and 62nd Avenue. It's the Waterford at Blue Lagoon, a lot of office buildings. You can see the flooding here, and at one point you see a lot of these stranded vehicles. A lot of motorists were worried as that water was continuing to rise, so they just left their cars here. But for the most part right now, we're just dealing with ankle-deep water. But at one point, and I want to show you this video that I actually shot with my iPhone, I was meeting my photojournalist here, and that water was starting to rise, and that's when Miami-Dade police got on the scene. They started blocking off the roads, fearful that obviously that water would continue to rise and cause a hazard. So basically, I had to leave my car about a mile from where we are right now and walk down, and saw a number of motorists. Talked to some of them. They said they were on their way into work, and that is obviously they were just getting pelted with that rain, and we had the flooding. So again, you see that video, a lot of motorists lined up here. The good news out here, just speaking with first responders, no injuries or anything like that. Most people definitely heeded the warning, but if we're back out here live, again, you're getting another look, and it's kind of a weird scene here because if you're familiar with this area, this is really a bustling, stretch. You've got this big office building here, and it's around lunchtime, so you just see a lot of people coming in and out. We're not too far from Miami International Airport, but as you can see, this is all shut down right now. They're only letting the media through, and I guess there is more rain expected this afternoon, so authorities are going to continue to stay out here. They're going to keep people away from this area. So again, quickly, closures again. What we were being told by investigators here at this scene, we are at Northwest 7th Street, and there are closures from Northwest 59th Avenue all the way to 65th Avenue. So if you work or live in this area, you do want to avoid it right now. Again, there was some major flooding here probably about 30-45 minutes ago. A number of stranded vehicles still here from motorists who just decided, hey, I better get out of here. So that is the very latest here in Northwest Miami-Dade. I'm Michael Seiden, Local 10 News.